Yo guys, Jason here. Welcome back to the 999th video on this channel that I was wearing this hoodie in. I don't know, it just seems like every time I sit down behind a camera to talk, I just happen to be wearing this hoodie somehow. Also, I just so happen to be filming the aerial portion of this video with my kit lens, not the prime lens, and it's actually a lot more convenient. It's a lot easier to make videos, so I think I'm going to be able to make more videos simply because of this setup, which, I don't know, I'm kind of fickle. I feel like this setup looks better than the old one. Anyway, so today we're going to be talking about this guy, not just the globe. There's a stand that holds this thing, but this might be my new favorite gadget this year. It's a magnetic levitating globe from Woodlev, and yeah, not only does the globe float above the hand-shaped base, but the globe also somehow glows wirelessly. Let's get into it. So first things first, huge shout out to Woodlev for hitting me up and sending out this globe. I've been getting more and more products to review lately, and I really don't know what to do with them, so drop a like down below if you want to see a giveaway of this guy, and let's get right into the review. First off, unlike the last levitating product I reviewed, this globe does come with a US plug for power, which is nice right off the bat because you don't need an adapter like the other one. Setup after plugging this in is also super simple. You just need to bounce the globe on the handstand, the hands, and you're set. The whole balancing part can be a bit tricky, but there's a little blip on the hand that shows where the center of the globe is supposed to line up to, and you should get it balanced within a few seconds to minutes. So next we got to talk about looks, and I'm going completely off script for this, but I think this globe looks pretty nice sitting on your desk. It's a pretty versatile desk accessory. It doesn't have like a set kind of design standard that you need your whole desk to be themed around. It kind of fits in with any desk setup no matter what kind of stuff you got. So if you want to set this up in a classroom or on a desk or in a workspace or on a kitchen or whatever, it'll fit in without kind of sticking out like a sore thumb. And definitely besides the aesthetic value is just the wow factor. You know, people are going to look at this thing and be like, what, you got a globe floating in a hand sitting on your kitchen counter? Let's talk about that. You know, it's a freaking conversation starter. So this guy is 90 bucks on Amazon, and if you're thinking to yourself that's kind of a lot to spend on a levitating globe, then you're right. You're absolutely right. It's a lot of money. But seriously, I mean, there's not very many other desk ornaments or desk accessories that are this cool and this unique. So if you want something like that, if you want this globe, you want that wow factor, then this is pretty much the only way you're going to get it. And that's it. This isn't the most practical gadget because it's mostly for aesthetic, like I said, but, well, I guess unless you want to use it as an actual globe, but seriously, don't buy this thing if you're only going to use the globe part of it, because it's a lot of money to spend for a freaking levitating globe if you're only going to use the globe part of it. You know, really the awe factor is just having a glowing levitating globe sitting on your desk. The aesthetic value, just the awe factor of it. Besides that, make sure to subscribe to AeriumTV, hit that button right below here for more dope content. Check the links to this product down below as well, and I will see you in the next video. Thing also acts super crazy when you throw it because the weight's off balance. It's like look at it, look, it's like ah. Also, because it is December the 19th when I'm filming this video, there's a very high chance that this is the last video I filmed before Christmas this year. So if I don't see you before then, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.